Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. If you make that simple mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having Chrysler 300 this generation right here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find guys which fuses, relays control the purge control valve, in this video today we will explain that in case you have problems with the purge valve, code related to purge valve. Also if you need to buy replacement parts, choose at a good price, that way do not waste money and time. We'll share the information in the video for your convenience. Let's start on it now. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, that way we can keep making these free videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff guys. And if you need to buy cheap parts and tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So the purge valve guys, fuses, relays, where you can expect to find them. By the way, if you want to see how to test purge control valve, we will have multiple videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that step by step. Now we will demonstrate where you can find the fuses. We will be working in two different fuse boxes. The first one, we need to open the hood on your Chrysler 300, then if that doesn't matter if you have a V6, V8 engine, facing the engine on the left side is the main engine fuse box. Here you have a couple tabs that you squish together, pull the cover out, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Now the purge valve guys, purge control valve, fuses and relays, actually there is not quite much information, very limited information about that, but you need to check all your engine management fuses, because most likely guys, okay, these fuses, one of them will have a function for the purge control valve as well. And if you come in that row of fuses here, that's the third row with the little fuses, that's fuse 28, 29, 30, 31. Fuse 31 is the first one that you need to check, then check fuse 34, 35, 37. Next you want to check relay 63, which is known as ASD relay. After that, go ahead and open the trunk. When you do that, lift the carpet liner up. Underneath you're going to find a spare tire, car battery. Behind the car battery is the main trunk fuse box. That's a closer look of it. Squish the tabs, pull the cover out. You got that layout here, guys. What do we need to check? Relay 29 right here. And also, some of you may have relay 14, check that one too. Those are the main things you need to check for the purge valve on Chrysler 300. So guys, that generation Chrysler 300 has all kinds of different size of fuses, guys. You can see different fuses, relays, that's the engine fuse box, that's the trunk fuse box. Those could be really hard to find, some of them, guys. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a replacement, you cannot get one, you may be stuck, guys. So we will recommend to buy some, put in the glove box for peace of mind, keep some spare ones. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.